I'm just crossing the borderline, which is not highway, the road, going into another direction. I show you from this view. Well, it's a good idea, you know, to collect the film from the nature, from traveling. Sometimes give you better opportunity to find out about yourself, because the walking is very good. You see the horses are front my camera. I think one horse. Just bring it near. Is that? No, isn't. I will see. I don't think it's a horse. We have a nice landmark here. I love this area. I don't know how long I am here, but I love this area. Maybe I live here. Do I live to another country? I don't know yet. From the soft way. See the tractor. This guy drives very fast. Look at that. You see, this is the electricity. Because of the animals don't get into the road, you give a little shock, you know, which I don't like. This is actually very bad. Alright. Now, see, there is no horse. It's a place of horse, but no horse. This kind of recording bring more views than aviation. I have no idea why people are watching more the nature. I also like nature very much. First I thought maybe aviation, but I was wrong. I think people like more nature and adventure. I know guy who travel by his bicycle through the Africa. I like him very much, and I also continue him on YouTube. But maybe one time I do the same as he's doing right now, and will match my future videos in Africa or Australia, maybe by bike or by feet or by car, whatever. There's also one girl, actually one lady, she's driving by motorcycle through the Africa. But I like more this guy, this French guy, and I always watch his YouTube as he watch my YouTube. I know also a guy who traveled from Europe, from Germany, by just a bicycle to Middle East. He was in Iran, now I think he's in Pakistan, and goes further to India. And from India he intended heading to Bali. I don't know how it's possible. Maybe some way goes by the sheep. There's the animal. I don't know what. Once I show you, it's just run. Here you will see more deers are gathering here. Because of maybe of the fresh food, vegetable and grass are coming here to eat. Well, I never calculated that we will have green winter, and I saw many countries like USA, they have had white winter, but in Europe the climate had been changed. Actually in this part where am I, and north part was very windy and the water flooded, the rivers are flooded into the towns, into the cities, and well, we didn't have a chance to have white winter. Anyway, maybe next winter, but I'm not sure if next winter I am in Europe. I'm probably go, I don't know exactly. I want to spend my time, some time of my life in Australia and in Africa. I will see what comes. I promised this year, it hadn't been happened. Want to know why? One of the reasons was the stock market. Thanks Joe Biden, all the stocks were down, but now time to rise up again, and I hope the people will be lucky. Yeah, we have had very bad years, actually 2021, 2022. Because of the war, earlier because of Corona, and well, it was reason enough. The stock market dropped down. Alright, we don't talk about the politics, we don't talk about the business, we are talking about the nature. And I hope we see animals. Animals like me. No, there are real animals are crossing this way. You know what? I have some problems with my shoe. It's very tiny. I actually wear because of some different things. I intend to go to a gym, but I changed my mind, and I go back and show you more interesting things. It's very interesting. I have had opportunity on Instagram to cover reportage. The Instagram sent me a message. Your video shouldn't be less than 1 minute, otherwise we cannot cover for you. Right? I will keep more than 1 minute. There's 10 minutes up to now. Oh, it's getting cold. My fingers are almost frozen, and I won't say I'm hungry because I ate. And then you go outside for walking, you get automatically hunger. You want or not. I have actually reduced weight. I had reduced weight. About 35 kilograms, and maybe isn't good when I do further, but probably I do. I won't talk about that. Forget it. Okay, I think now is 11 minutes run. I just continue in another dimension. Wish you have a nice evening wherever you are. God bless you and your family. Bye. Just do some more minutes. Right. One more 36 degree. See. Right.